We've got two accounts open here for the Gridmaster Pro, and the first one is the Gridmaster Pro Real, and the second one is the Gridmaster Pro NZD CAD. Now, first one, averages are looking very well. The history is looking very good, and the second one, I saw a little bit of an equity or a little bit of a drawdown. Hi there, my friend, Errol Muller here, and this will be a Gridmaster Pro EA review. We're going to delve into the Myfxbook results, the settings, everything, and I want you to stay tuned because I'm going to share a few things with you that you might not know. I'm not saying that you've never seen any of these videos. If you have watched any of my other videos, on the top right hand side, there will be a notification button popping up. You will see that I basically delve into the nitty-gritties of a forex trading robot. Now, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Take some time, read the disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, for the Gridmaster Pro, I've opened up two Myfxbook accounts. So if you scroll down, one thing before we actually head over to the Myfxbook account, one thing that I was looking for is to see whether this forex trading robot is using a stop loss, and I couldn't really see anything. It says here it's got a new improved highly effective exit logic. So what that means, I don't really know. Hopefully it is a stop loss. If not, I would highly suggest you contact their support. Let me actually show you where you can get access to the Gridmaster Pro EA. What you can do is you can head over to Empire Digest. I will leave a link to the Forex Trading Robots page below this video. This is my company, this is my business, Empire Digest. Once you're on the Forex Trading Robots page, the link below this video, I want you to scroll down where it says FX Automator. I want you to click on the Access Now button, which will open up a page that looks like this. And then once on the FX Automator page, you can scroll down and it should be right here on the left hand side, Gridmaster Pro. If you can't find it there, then you can literally just head over to Forex Robots and you will find the Gridmaster Pro here as well. So this is what the sales page looks like. So I'm going to close this one quickly. It's the same page, and I've already opened up the two Myfxbook accounts. Now, you are already on a page and you are already searching for the Gridmaster EA Pro robot, which means you want to make more money. And if you are serious and you really want to make money, and you want to make money online, and you want to build a long-term sustainable business, head over to Empire Digest, click on the home page, and then click this Show Me How to Make Money button right there. Now, back to the review. So scrolling down, talking about the stop loss, I didn't see any stop losses. Contact their support. And then what I've done is I've opened, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, where are those Myfxbook accounts? These are backtesting results. I have actually, I think I might be bypassing it. Just give me a second. These are, okay, that's the free version. Oh, here we go. Sorry. So I've opened up this account. I'll open them up again. So let's close these two up top. I've opened the first one. Now I'm opening the second one, and let's delve into the details. So I'm going to use one of them just to basically do my review, but then I quickly want to share both of the account growths with you. So what you first want to do is check for the stop loss, whether this Gridmaster Pro is using a stop loss. Secondly, you want to make sure that you trade any forex trading robot on a VPS, a good VPS service. It stands for virtual private server, or virtual private server. That's what I would highly suggest you do, is get a good VPS service. What you can do is you can also head over back to Empire Digest under the Forex tabs. You can go to the Forex tab. Under Forex, you can go to Forex Trading or Forex VPS Services. You can click the Learn More button, which will open up some VPS services for you. Otherwise, I would highly suggest just on Google good VPS services. Now, those are the two first things that you need to look for. So good stop loss. You can also ask them, what is the risk to reward ratio? So if this is your, let's look at these three lines. This is your take profit. This is your trade entry point, your take profit if it's a bullish trade going upwards, and this will be your stop loss. So what is the risk to reward ratio? Is it more like a 2-to-1, meaning this small amount right here is your the loss should it end up in a loss, and this is the reward that you can gain, which is more like a 2-to-1, or is it a 1.5, or is it a 1-to-1? Okay, that's a good question you can ask them. Then secondly is you want to make sure that custom analysis is not set on a Myfxbook account. So both of them, the custom analysis is not set. That is a good thing. Reason why, some of the individuals, I'm not saying this specific developer or the owners of this specific forex robot, but some people do that. They hide the robot statistics from you, previous trading history, and then that causes you to think that the robot is actually performing very well, not knowing that the history is hidden of how it was actually performing since inception, since the actual account started. Okay, now looking at the chart for both of these, the growth chart, this one's looking very good, and this is the Gridmaster Pro Real. Then looking at the Gridmaster Pro NZD CAD, this one looked very good to me up until I saw this at the end. You see this high equity drawdown, and if I go and I click on the drawdown, you will see it's not reflecting now at this point in time, not yet, because the last drawdown that I can see was actually June 2022. That's a long time ago. So it means my guess is that they've stopped sharing the results. Yes, there we go, June, July, there's nothing after that. So let's go back to this account, the Gridmaster Pro Real. Now, secondly, track record is not verified at this point in time. So by watching this video, I've got nothing against the owner, nothing against the developers of this robot. So when you are watching this video, I'm literally expressing my own opinions. And if I were to buy this robot, these are the things that I would look for as a person, as an individual. Not saying it's a good robot, and I'm not saying it's a bad robot. So you watching this video, the decision is always up to you. I've created this video in order to share as much information as possible in order for you to make an informed decision, make your final decision, whether you're going to buy it or you're not going to buy it. That's entirely up to you. And I've shown you where you can get access to the Gridmaster Pro EA. Now, next, let's quickly click on the general. As you can see, it is a real account, meaning they are trading live funds, real funds. It's not a demo account. The leverage is 1-to-500. So when you open an account with a broker and you want to trade with this specific forex robot, you can open up the same trading leverage of 1-to-500, because that is what they're using. Okay, you can also contact them and ask them what is the preferred settings with low risk. Okay, there's always when it comes to high risk, there's a very big chance that you can blow your account overnight with 1 or 2 trades. So don't always go for high rewards. With high rewards comes high risk. Now, the monthly gain is 3.87%. I'm absolutely happy with that monthly gain. Reason being, that is compounded interest. So every time a month ends, and you get another 3.8%. That is on the total account balance. And if you don't know what compound interest is, go search it on Google. I don't want to delve into too much detail, otherwise the video becomes too lengthy. Then the drawdown is sitting at 26%, and if you click on the drawdown tab, it's actually looking very good. I must say, I love the lower the drawdown means the lower the risk, the better. Okay, so in this case, 3%, 2%, 1%, and then nothing, 0.2%, 0.18%. Man, that's nothing. That's good. That's really good. Okay, the actual growth chart is looking really good. The orange line and the red line is very on par, meaning the equity does not really separate from the actual growth, which is also a good thing. Then, okay, profit balance. doesn't really mean anything to me. On the balance, you would have seen if they've made any withdrawals, then you would have seen the withdrawals right here. In this case, they've made $4,894 worth of deposits, and these little jumps right here. So let's quickly have a look. I want to see if they've made a deposit in this time period. So October 11 and 12, the year 2022. So let's go to history, October 11 and 12, 2022. So let's go to page 35, and then there is nothing much. That's a deposit. Oh, that is the actual deposit they've made. So they haven't made any other deposits, not that I can tell at this point in time, but let's go to that date, October 11 and 12. So we are currently on, okay, not yet, September, October, here we go, October. Okay, we are still not on 11 and 12. Let's go to page 32, October, still not. Here we go, October 11th and the 12th. So between the 11th and 12th, you can see the date here, 10, 10, 12, 10, 11. So I do not see any deposits, meaning they did not lift the account with a deposit. A lot of times people do that. So if the actual robot ended in a loss, a huge loss, they will make a huge deposit in order to show a quick little dip, to show as if the robot recovered the trade. Okay, so I just checked to make sure that this specific robot did not do that. Okay, then it's currently sitting at $8,200, and then the gain is 67%. That is a good gain. If you look at the monthly average and then scrolling down, if you look at the amount of years, so me as a person, when I decide to buy any forex trading robot, I want 3 years, 3 full years worth of trading history, and then anything 3 years and upwards, 4 years, 5 years, then that is enough trading history for me to make an informed decision, because then that tells me that the actual physical robot went through very volatile situations within the market. Okay, so that's just my preference. 2022, that's the first month, September, and then October, November, December. Let's quickly see when this account was added. So back to general. This account started trading September the 12th, and they've actually added the account the same date, which is a good thing. Okay, so that's how it's been performing. And like I said, the growth of this specific profile, this set file, Gridmaster Pro Real, is looking really good. Something else to look for is you can head over to the summary page. Then you can see what pairs it is actually trading. In this case, it's only trading the GBP USD, and that's the amount of profits it has made on the GBP USD. Then the duration of a trade, that is very important to me. I want to see how often does this robot trade, or how often does it close the trade. So in this case, it is all within 2 to 3 days, which is not bad. You know, you're going to pay overnight swaps for anything over 1 day, then you start paying swaps, overnight swaps, which is not too bad. Trades open for about 3 days I can live with, but as you can see, it's actually more like 2 days, so you'll pay overnight swaps for 2 days. And then you get 2 accounts. You get an ECN account and STP account. In your case, you can decide what type of account you want. I've always traded, and I've been doing trading since the year 2015, which is nearly 9 years now. And I've traded myself. I used to sell a forex trading course. I've traded with forex trading robots, and I'm actually investing in other individuals at this point in time of my career that is actually trading my money on my behalf. I do not trade with forex robots anymore. Okay, just my personal preference. Okay, and then you've got 8 days, a few lost trades at 8 days. Then you've got a winning trade at 13 days, 15, 15, and then 16 days. This category right here is a bit long. It's like really long. This is more than a week. It's like what, 5? It's almost 2 weeks worth of trading, because the market is from a Monday to a Friday. Okay, and then this is way longer. So that's a bit of a negative for me. But then again, like you can see, I would call it about 90-95% of trades are closing within 2 to 3 days, which is a good thing. Then open trades, they are actually sharing with you the open trades. A lot of robot developers and accounts will not do that. They will keep it private. In this case, you can see it's got a current trade open on the GBP USD, and it's running in a small loss of $0.74. Open orders, nothing, and then you can have a look at every single trade, the history of the trade, and how the lot size changes. 0.04, 0.02, 0.02 micro lots. So they've got a bit of a money management system going there. And that is it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate your time. I want you to like this video because by doing that, it helps this video to rank as quickly, as high as possible within the search engines in order to help more individuals like yourself watching this video, and at the same time for them to make an informed decision like you're watching this video right now. So give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Watch some more videos on the top right hand side. Head over to Empire Digest, and may you have watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, healthy, financially successful, loving, good life, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.